Hey everybody, this is a quick video just to talk about the E9 error on the candy dryer. So maybe you've got a candy dryer and it's throwing up this E9 error and you're wondering what it is and is there anything you can do to get rid of it. So I have some good news and some bad news. I'll start with the bad news. The bad news is this is not an error that you can easily get rid of by fixing something, because this is the thermal cutout that's being detected as faulty. So this could be that the thermal cutout is faulty, or that the sensor is faulty, or that the control board that is faulty and needs to be replaced. So it could be really any of those things. This is not a localized error, and you're going to almost always need to call a professional to come out and check out this problem. I'd rather just give you the bad news and not have you waste your time searching all over the internet for things that you're not going to be able to do anyways. One thing you can always try to do when you get these electronics errors before calling a professional is just try a hard restart on the machine. So that consists of just turning the machine off and disconnecting it from power completely for a full minute. So either unplugging it or turning it off at the circuit. And once you turn it back on, then you can try to run a cycle and see if the error doesn't come back. But anyways, hope this video helped you at least figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.